So the issue I'm having is my flasher is out. Most cars it probably would be an easy replacement. Go to the fuse box, but unfortunately on this one, I had to take the panel off. So a lot of misinformation I got. I finally got my owner's manual out. First I thought it was the left side, then I came back to the right side, and I do remember when I did the heater core, the flasher was on there. So I got the front top panel off. I'm going to have to take all this off anyway, so we're going to have to take this lower panel off right here, which I've already done. You got the ECM right up under here. So here's the ECU right here. It's to the left side of the ECU. So come over to the left, find these two wires. You have a purple and a blue wire. I'm going to back up, show you. You're either going to have to, you can't see it from this position, or you're a smaller guy, you probably can get to it. But if you're a bigger guy or you're tall, you're going to have to probably lay on your back on this seat, look upside down and pull it down from under here. Finally got to it, and here it is. Make sure you disconnect the battery. Let's pry it out. Let's make it off of there. Don't leave that connector either. So I think I'm going to replace this one with a heavy duty unit. This is a 2-prong long life electronic flasher, LED compatible. Perfect. There she goes. Let's go try her out. There she goes. There you go.